to my channel. Today I have another video for you guys, and today I'm back with the luxurious apartments, and I'm at 48-day login streak, and today I will be showing you how to make LED lights in Adopt Me. So let's get started. Let's put my chat off because that's kind of annoying. So the first thing you want to do, oh yeah, I accidentally got rid of that because I needed money, but the first thing you want to do is you have to go to Q, and then you go to this sign, the welcome sign, and you want to have like a bunch of money, and then make it any color you want. I'm gonna make it yellow, and then change your text and type in the dashes or the subtract symbols, and then just hit save, and you can like make a bunch of those and put them at the top of your roof. And it's really cute, and like they're really worth it, but they are expensive. They're $200 for one sign, and you need a lot of signs to do it, but that's honestly okay. I have them here. I can show you what they look like when you have a bunch, because I already have a whole room filled with them in my other house. So let me get my other house. Change house, my mansion. Where the heck did my car go? Wait, is it in the, oh my gosh, I think it was in the house. Okay, so when you come in here, yeah, this is my house. It's nothing too special, it's just cute. Okay, when you go into my pet room, see they're everywhere, and they look really cute, and I can make them seriously any color I want to. And if you guys want a tutorial on like how to do my whole house, I can totally do it. Remember, subscribe, like, and comment down below your username and why you want to win the bee, because I'm doing the bee giveaway. So how to enter is subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications, and comment down below your username and why you want to win. Bye, guys!